So today I'll be talking about how to start a YouTube channel with minimal filming tools. Yes, and somewhere in this video I'll also be showing you my filming tools. But yes, I use just 3 things in filming. Yes, so today I'll be showing you all of that, and I'll be sharing with you how to start a YouTube channel. So if this interests you, you don't want to go anywhere. Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and reviews. If you're interested in any of my content, please join the family today by subscribing. So today I'll be talking about how to start a YouTube channel with minimal filming tools. Yes, and somewhere in this video I'll also be showing you my filming tools. But yes, I use just 3 things in filming. Yes, so today I'll be showing you all of that, and I'll be sharing with you how to start a YouTube channel. So if this interests you, you don't want to go anywhere. YouTube is an online platform and also a social media where people can watch, like, and comment on videos. The video service can be accessed through a personal laptop, through a tablet, or through a mobile phone. And also creators can earn money. Creators are those who publish content on YouTube. They can earn money through the YouTube Partnership Program, the YPP. And for you to join the YPP, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months or in the last 365 days. I'll be taking you to my screen, and I'll share my screen with you right away on how to open a YouTube channel from the very scratch. Yes.
Hello guys, welcome back. So after you must have opened the Gmail account, then you need to come to your YouTube app. So here is it. This is the account I'm using. So I want to click on your channel. Just follow through the finger icon I'll be putting on my screen. So you just click your channel. This is a new account. So this is what we have automatically, like you can see now. This is the name, Risikat Abike. This is actually a dummy account. I'm just using it for the purpose of those videos. Yeah, this pen like icon here, you click on it. So you can see we have the name. You can choose to change the name of your channel here. So just put any name you want it to be. Maybe Abike's vlog. Let me just put it at Abike's vlog. So you can see what we have. You just want to click OK to save it automatically. That's the name of the channel. Description, yeah, this box is actually you telling us what your channel will be about. Yes, if it's going to be about food, lifestyle, anything at all, just come here and tell us what to expect from your channel. When should we expect you to post your videos? You can come here to do it. This channel or expect videos like, then you go ahead and give us all the details about your channel. Yes, you can also tell us to subscribe, like, anything you want. Just click OK. So, and keep your subscription private. You can also keep your saved. It's better to keep saved playlist private so that it make your channel looks great and more professional. This other icon here, this is the profile picture. You can click here to change pictures. So I'm trying to load my file, so you can just click anything. This is my Canva designs. You can click anything. Let me just click here. You can see. Then you try to just, that's it. So I just uploaded a profile picture for this new channel. It's going to pop up soon. Yeah, so if you also want to change your channel banner, you click here. You also choose from your photos to change your channel banner. So let me just put something, I don't know, something. Let me just click on any picture. So it says my image dimension is smaller. So you need to go to your Canva. You can make all these designs through your Canva. Just go to your Canva and use the design for channel banner art and change it. That it's as simple as that. Now I have a channel. So if I want to upload a video, I just come here. This plus sign, you can see I can create a short, I can upload a video, I can go live. But I think on your mobile you can't go live unless you have at least, I think, 100 or 500 subscribers. But you can go live from your laptop, from your web. So that's all about opening a channel.
I'll be mentioning the basic tools you need in starting your YouTube channel. The first one is a Gmail account, as seen in the previous screen. Yes, my screen where I shared with you. You need a Gmail account to operate a YouTube channel. The second instrument or the second tools is a phone or camera. This is what you'll be using to film yourself, yes, to create content. The third one is a ring light or sunlight, natural lighting. You either get a ring light or you use the natural lighting. It's better to record if you're using a natural lighting. It's better to record within 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yes, that is when the sun is usually out and the sky is usually clear. The third one is actually optional. That is the lapel mic. Can you see what I have here? This is called a lapel mic. This is actually to help you with the audio to block out external noises. That is the work of a lapel mic. So if you know you film in a quiet environment, you don't have disturbance, then you can do away with the lapel mic. If you're using a ring light, you really do not need to get a tripod stand. Yes, for me, I don't have a tripod stand. My ring light has a phone holder, and that is what I use in filming. Yeah, I'll recommend a vendor who sells ring light, tripod, and lapel mic. You can check her out on Instagram to get any of your filming tools. Yes, I've used her and she's actually trustworthy. What are you going to use to film? If you're filming with your phone, make sure you always clean the lens of your camera. It's better to film with the back camera, yes, because the quality is actually greater compared to the front camera. But make sure you always clean the lens of your camera whenever you want to film. Also, make sure you put your phone on landscape mode. Yes, landscape mode while filming and also while editing. Also, make sure that your camera resolution is at the highest when filming. Yes, I'll also be sharing the important apps you need as a creator, as a content creator on YouTube. These are the very important app you need. Number one, you need your YouTube app. Yes, that is where you upload videos. That is where you can make a community tab. That is where you can, like, the YouTube app is very important for you as a creator. Then the second one is your YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio helps generally with analytics, in tracking your views, in tracking what your subscribers are searching for. One of the tools I love the most is my YouTube Studio. As a creator, you need to make the YouTube Studio your friend. Like, I can't go a day without checking my YouTube Studio, because I want to see how my videos are performing, what my viewers are searching for, how to come in, and everything I need to know. My YouTube Studio does that effortlessly. The third app is the SEO app. What we call SEO is search engine optimization. These apps help you with keywords optimization. They can be TubeBuddy or VDIQ. I use both, so you can download them, play around it till you find your way. Or you can also watch different YouTube videos. You can check out their channel. VidIQ has a YouTube channel as well, so you can check out their channel on how to operate the app. I'll put a screenshot of their channels on the screen, so you can check their channel out to learn how to operate those apps. The next app you need is the thumbnail app. So for me, I use Canva and CC Express. Yes, I use Canva and CC Express. I'll put a link to download those apps in my description box. You can use a combination of both, or you can stick with Canva or either CC Express. The next one is the video editing app. These are the app you'll be using to edit your video. Yes, you need any of those video apps. The likes of InShot, the likes of Power Director, the likes of Filmorango, Adobe Premiere Pro as well. So you need to play around this app to know the one that works best for you. Yes, you can download them, play around them, get familiarized with them, and you're good. I didn't go for any training before starting my YouTube channel. Yes, that's the funniest thing. I was just playing around those apps till I found my way. So you can also do that. So I said I was going to talk about my filming tools. So these are the only 3 filming tools I started with in 2020. I started YouTube in April 2020, and I am still using all the 3 tools I got then. Yes, my first one is my phone. I use an Oppo A5 2020 at the moment. I'm actually upgrade anytime from now, and I still use that to film all my content. The second one is my ring light, my 18 inches ring light. That is what I am still using at the moment. And the third one is my lapel mic, this right here, my lapel mic. I got the 3 2020, April 2020, and I'm still using them. So this is just to tell you that you don't need to have a lot of gear while starting. You can start with the little in your hands. Yes, these are the 3 things I started with in 2020, and I'm still using them, and they're still working perfectly. So you don't need to wait until you start getting big gears, cameras, and the lights. Yes, you don't need to wait. You only need to focus on the quality of your content. Make sure the content you're pushing out are quality. Yes, make sure you always publish quality content. So you need to pick something you're passionate about, a niche you're passionate about. For me, I'm passionate about how to make money, how to get multiple streams of income. I love encouraging people on how to start business, how to start something for themselves. That's actually what brought me to YouTube. So you need to pick something you're passionate about. It could be lifestyle, it could be faith, it could be business, it could be reviews, it could be tech. Pick what you're very passionate about and start creating content on it. Passion plus knowledge plus supply demand equals money and success on YouTube. Those are the things you need. Your passion plus the knowledge you have about what you're talking about, plus the supply demand, what people want. Do they really want to see that? It gives you success and money on YouTube. Yeah. You also need to connect through emotions and storytelling. Yes, you need to connect with your subscribers or your viewers through emotions and storytelling. your creativity and storytelling needs to come into play. So the 3 reasons people come on YouTube: the first one is for inspiration, the second one is for entertainment purposes, the third one is for educational purposes. So you need to find out where your niche falls under in these 3 categories. So lastly, I'll be sharing my advice to newbies, to people who are just starting on YouTube, or to anyone struggling with YouTube. Number 1, focus on your analytics. Yes, you need to make the YouTube Studio your friend. I said earlier that the YouTube Studio is one of my favorite apps. Yes, I don't joke with it, because I want to study my analytics. I want to know what my viewers want. I want to know what they're searching for. I want to know how they came about my channel. I want to know the video that brought them into my channel. That is one thing about YouTube Studio. It gives you the analytics of your channel. Your YouTube Studio is like a gossip blog. Yes, so you need to make it your friend. You need to get familiarized with your YouTube Studio. Number 2 is optimizing your video. The 3 things that make up a good, or that makes a video successful on YouTube is: number 1, the title; number 2, the thumbnail; number 3 is the tag and description box. You need to make these 3 things on point. Your title needs to be on point. Your thumbnail will determine if viewers are going to click to watch that video. You need to take your time to give the best thumbnail as possible. Then the third one is your tag and also your description box. For the tags or description box, you can use the vidIQ or TubeBuddy app. The third one is creating being-worthy content. Yes, make sure that the content on your channel relates in a way or the other, such that when anybody watches this, the next video should be something close or something related to what they just watched. That way they can actually binge watch your channel. The fourth one is creating videos your viewers want. You need to always find out what your audience wants. Like for this channel now, I really do not talk about how to start YouTube channel, but because when I asked for a review, I got a lot of people requesting for video on how to make or how to start a YouTube channel, and that's why I'm bringing this to you. So it's not just all about you, it is about what your viewers want, what they always watch on your channel. So always ask them for their feedback. Always search your YouTube Studio to check what other videos are your viewers watching. It gives you an idea, okay, this is what my viewers want, and you can create a content around that. The next one is providing valuable and quality content. Please don't just push out videos on your channel for filming sake. You need to make, like, every video on your channel needs to be valuable. Anybody that watches it needs to pick something out of your content. My sixth advice is the God factor. Yes, you need to depend on him for inspirations. There are times I need to upload videos, I'll start prophesying, I start speaking into those videos that yes, my voice will be heard. At the sound of my voice, people get inspired to start something for themselves. Their minds are opened. The last point is don't choke the process. Grow at your own pace. Don't set unrealistic expectations for yourself. Don't say in the next 2 months I want to get monetized, in the next 2 months I want to. It might not come. When those expectations or goals do not come, you get frustrated. So please take it a step at a time. Just run at your own pace. This is something I need to open your, like, please open your ears and hear me. Avoid, like, run away from word for watch and sub for sub. It will kill your channel growth. Don't buy subscribers, don't buy viewers. Yes, do not do those things. I didn't do it and here I am. Please focus on creating quality content. Focus on creating valuable content and your viewers will come for you. So this brings me to the end of this video. Then lastly, if you need mentorship and guidance on YouTube as a newbie or somebody struggling with YouTube, I've been on YouTube for a while, for 2 years, with results to show for it. So I know what I'm talking about. So if you need somebody to mentor you concerning YouTube, you need somebody to hold your hands, to take you through the process one after the other, I am always here for you. But then it's a paid service. It is currently 10,000 naira discount price. It is 20,000, but I'm giving it at 10,000 discount price at the moment. So you can send me a message on Instagram, a direct message. I'll put my handle somewhere on the screen and also in my description box. You will get the direct link to my Instagram account or to my Instagram profile. So you can send me a DM. You can also send me a mail. My email address is fumikeafolabomi@gmail.com. I'll also put it somewhere on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you find this video helpful. Like, comment, and share this video, please. Like I said earlier, it's a video request. So let me know if it actually met your expectations. Drop comment in the comment section, please. Don't come and tell me in my WhatsApp that, oh, Fumike, that video was great. Drop the comments down below. You can comment YouTube. You can comment content creation. It helps me to know that you actually watch up to those moments. I also have a lot of videos on this channel on how to start a business with or without capital, different side hustle for people. You can check them out. Some will be on the screen, while I also link some up. Link to those videos will be in the description box. Catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Till I come your way next time, I love you all.